You ever hear of the gold rush of the 1800s? Guys literally sold their farms and crossed the country and staked claims in hope of striking it rich. But here's the real kicker. Most of the real wealth wasn't made in digging for gold. It was selling shovels. Today we're showing you how to be the guy selling the shovels, not the one panning in the freezing water. Let's talk digital products. Picture this. It's 1849, and you've just arrived in California. After months of blistered feet, bad food, and questionable wagon companions, you're here to dig for gold. But what if I told you the guy making bank isn't the guy in the river? It's the dude selling picks, pans, and shovels over by the general store. Now fast forward to today, and digital products are the modern day equivalent. They're the tools your customer needs and you're cashing in. Here's the problem that most small businesses face. You're working insane hours. Growth feels like you're running faster and getting farther behind. Oh, and this is the tough one. Margins are thinner than the beef jerky that you packed for your fishing trip last summer. Here's the truth. More work isn't the answer. Smart work is. And digital products are your new gold mine. They let you package your expertise, solve customer problems, and earn an income on repeat. It's like building a self-refilling fuel tank. You enjoy the payout long after the work is done. Here's how it works. Say you own a flooring business. Instead of hustling just for installs, you create a downloadable guide. How to choose the perfect flooring for every room in your home. Then you promote the guide on your website, in emails, and in social media. Then you add an upsell for $49, a walkthrough teaching do-it-yourselfers how to install laminate like a pro. And there you have it, steady cash flow. Numbers don't lie. Here's the income potential of that. So let's crunch some numbers. Your digital product sells for $49, and say you get 30 sales a week. That's $1,470 a week, or over $75,000 a year, with no inventory, no shipping, and no hassles. Want bigger results? Stack on another product. Maybe an online course priced at $297. Sell 5 a week, and you're pulling in an extra $1,485 a week. Combine the two, and that's over $150,000 a year. You might ask yourself, why not use Amazon, Shopify, or Etsy to sell my products? And this is why I wouldn't recommend them. Relying on platforms like them is like renting a cabin in the mountains. Sure, it's nice, you're enjoying yourself, but really, you're not in control. They control the land, they control the fees, and whether or not you even get noticed. When you build your own system, your website, your email lists, and your sales funnels, you own the land, you make the rules. And no one could hike your rent or pull your listing. Use a platform like QL Solutions. The link is in the description below for a free trial. And here are a few practical steps for finding your golden nugget. What problem can you solve for your customers? Think about questions you answer over and over again in your business. For example, a contractor could create the ultimate guide for avoiding costly renovation mistakes. Promote like a pioneer. Share content that educates your audience. Another example could be, a plumber might make a YouTube video like 3 plumbing fixes every homeowner should know. Or a physical therapist could offer a 10-minute stretch routine for back pain. YouTube is a secret weapon. So let's talk about YouTube. It's not just for fishing, hunting, or music videos anymore. It's your new marketing goldmine. Here's why. YouTube is actually the second largest search engine, and videos build trust faster than ads do. And best of all, people watching, they're already looking for answers. You know, a landscaping company could post 5 mistakes that kill your lawn and how to fix them. And at the end, plug your free guide, 10 Steps to a Healthier Lawn. And that guide leads to your $39 ebook on year-round lawn care. So if YouTube is the gold rush, your email list is the homestead where you settle down and thrive. It's your direct line from customers who want to hear from you. Here's the process. Offer a freebie like our guide, 25 digital product ideas for small businesses. And be sure to grab it in the description below. Use an automated email series to nurture the leads. Sell your digital product as solutions for their problems. The truth is, it takes a lot of work, but it's worth it. Building a digital product system isn't about striking it rich overnight. It's about building a business that works for you instead of the other way around. Think of it like this. The pioneers who struck gold weren't the ones looking for quick wins. They were the ones that dug in and stayed consistent and built something sustainable. It's your turn to stake your claim. So what's your gold? What skill, knowledge, or experience can you package into a digital product? Here's your first step. Grab your free guide, 25 digital product ideas and marketing tips. It's packed with ideas to help you grow your online business today. The link's below. And don't forget to leave a comment about your biggest takeaway for today. Ready to work smarter, not harder? So let's build something that grows while you sleep. Hit the subscribe button for more no BS tips on growing your business with digital products. See you in the next video. Let's strike gold together.